Everybody has heard about this new app on the block, right? Meta Threads is basically all about sharing texts and joining public conversations, and share links, photos, and even videos up to 5 minutes long. It sure fired up the internet when it was launched in July 2023, with 30 million signups in just 24 hours. However, the app is not accessible in all countries, particularly in the EU. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to safely access Threads using a VPN. If you want to try the best VPNs we'll recommend, check out the links below for exclusive discounts. Using a VPN will allow you to connect to a server from anywhere in the world and access it. The best VPNs for Threads that we recommend are ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark VPN. They are all reliable Threads VPN that have strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and fast servers. ExpressVPN is our top choice for the best VPN for Threads. It has a vast server network in 94 countries including the EU. On the other hand, NordVPN impresses with its advanced privacy options and specialized servers for specific tasks. Lastly, Surfshark is for those of you who want great value for money, as this is the most affordable VPN among the three, with unlimited device connections and solid streaming capabilities. Now, let's walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to access Threads in EU using a VPN. First, get a subscription to one of the best VPNs for Threads we recommended earlier and create an account. Let's use ExpressVPN for this video. Next, download the app on your device and install it. Now, launch the app. From the list of VPN server locations, select a server located in an EU country. Once connected, open your browser or Threads app, and you should now be able to access it. And that's it for today's guide on how to access Threads using a VPN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and happy browsing.